How to see blocked contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Phone and tap on it. You are now in the Phone Settings page. Within the Phone Settings, you can manage features like call blocking, call forwarding, and voicemail options. You can also customize your outgoing call settings. On this page, scroll down to the end and go to Blocked Contacts. You can view all your blocked contacts over here. You will not receive phone calls, messages, email, or FaceTime from people on the block list. You can also unblock any contact from here if you want. Following these steps, you can easily see blocked contacts on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.